Stuck with the Thumbnail Cache Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. I recommend the automated system scan for Thumbnail Cache Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Thumbnail Cache Library, the Windows Thumbnail Cache Library. It manages the storage and retrieval of image and video previews in File Explorer. If corrupted, users will notice that File Explorer lags significantly when opening folders with media, or thumbnails will display as generic icons. It interfaces with the localized Thumbcache.dll files. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Thumbnail Cache Library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Thumbnail Cache Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. A quick safety warning: never download files like Thumbnail Cache Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Thumbnail Cache Library. If this fix repaired Thumbnail Cache Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.